it's so easy for women, especially I feel, to get burnt out. And it's so important to remember that. Hey guys, happy Vlogmas day 6, I believe. I am walking around the house with Oakley right now, trying to get him into like a deep sleep. So it is 3:17 and I'm just starting the vlog, but we've had just a busy morning of getting like stuff done. My mom was getting like all our laundry done. She's amazing, thankful for her. Drew just took her to the airport to put her on a plane to send her back to Virginia. Very, very sad. We have loved having her here, and she was honestly such a help, especially with Emerson, just like keeping her entertained, because Emerson is high maintenance, high energy. I don't know if you guys could tell that from the vlogs. She's like just constantly needing to be doing something, and so it's helpful when we have to get some work done, just to have somebody play with her. So that was awesome. And then, like I said, she helped with the laundry. Huge. So I am home by myself and I have Oakley on me in the carrier. You guys are interested because I do get asked quite often. Let me see if I can let it focus. I do get asked quite often what brand of the carrier this is. It's Infantino. I'll link it down below, probably on Amazon for you guys. But yeah, it's a great carrier. I love it because it's super easy to put on. What else was I going to tell you? Oh, I was gonna say, I do give him every opportunity. This is before anybody comments and says that I hold him too much. I do give him plenty of opportunities to sleep by himself, take a nap by himself. We are working on it, but honestly, he is like a hardcore snuggler and he loves to be held. So we end up holding him a lot for naps, but he is only 6. Well, I think he's almost 7 weeks old. And yeah, he'll be 7 weeks tomorrow. And they're only little once. Like, I'm only gonna have Oakley as a 6-week-old once. So I don't mind holding him. I mean, let's be honest, sometimes it is kind of a pain in the butt, but I'm cherishing every moment that I have with this little guy. So. But we do give him opportunities. He already has taken 1 nap on his belly. He usually takes his first nap of the day by himself, not being held on his belly, because that's just how he likes to sleep. We do supervise him really well. So I'm gonna go finish up. I'm finishing up the vlog that's supposed to go out today. You guys will have already seen it by now. But that is what I'm working on. I just had an apple and peanut butter for my like late lunch afternoon snack. And then I am having, this is Ningxia Red. It is from Young Living, and it is a antioxidant wolfberry supplement drink. So I just put 2 ounces in a glass of sparkling water, and it is so yummy and super energizing, which is perfect for this time of day, the 3 o'clock time frame when I'm just kind of hitting a slump. You are being such a good helper.
Hey, those jeans aren't easy.
Great job, Emmers. Great job. She looks like a little like adult, but in a little tiny person's body.
Cinderella.
Oh, making her work.
Oh, so hard.
You're doing good. You're earning your keep. We'll let you stay here.
Hello, Demi. Pulling that thing over towards her.
That's the cutest thing I've ever seen.
I know. Okay, can I have a pink ice cream cone, please?
Okay.
Oh, thank you. And can you get Oakley a vanilla or chocolate? Which one?
Pink ice cream cone.
Okay. Okay. He likes pink ice cream cones too.
Ice cream.
Okay, get the ice cream for him. There you go. Okay.
Hey, where's mine?
Okay.
Where's mine? This diaper box has provided a lot of entertainment.
Okay.
Okay, bring Mama her ice cream, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. What flavor is it?
Chocolate.
Thank you.
Where's your chocolate, baby?
What flavor does Oakley get?
Ice cream cone.
Yeah, what flavor?
Ice cream cone. Oh, I've got the bee.
Hi,
The
bud.
bees are golden at the
How you doing, bud? Are you just mad? You said silly stuff? You said silly stuff? Yeah. Can you smile? Hey, look at Dada and smile. Look at Dada and smile. So Andrew had to take Emmy with him to drop my mom off at the airport because she wouldn't go down for a nap and my mom needed to like get out the door. And it needed to happen that she goes with them. But he was also supposed to stop at the grocery store to get ingredients for dinner tonight. We're having tacos, yum. But he came home like not too long ago and I knew it was way too soon for him to be home for him to also go to the grocery store. So he opened the door and Emerson was with him and he said that did not go well. Emmy did not take her Mimi leaving very well and they couldn't go to the grocery store. It didn't help that she hasn't had a nap today. So he dropped her off and he's going to the grocery store now. So we are sitting here watching some Peppa Pig and I got her some blueberries to snack on. You want some blueberries, Bubba? Okay, let me get some for you. Does that make you feel better?
Okay.
Okay. Do you think maybe we'll go to bed a little early tonight? Yeah, I think that would be a good idea. That would be a good idea. Put it in your teeth. Let me see you put it in your teeth. Look at Dada. Hey Google. Pause Peppa Pig. Okay, do it like Dad. Ready? Do it like Dada. It's backwards. Yes, a cheese. You're so it is no secret that I am not the chef in the house. Andrew is, and that's okay with me because he loves to do it. So tonight he asked what I wanted for dinner and I was so feeling tacos. So he made us tacos for dinner. I guess they're steak tacos and they look really yummy. So I'm very excited to eat these. We are having quite a night. It's kind of been hard adjusting from having my mom entertain Emmy all the time to now she's not here to entertain her all the time. And I'm not sure that Emmy feels super good and I know she's really tired, so she's kind of been fighting with us. So we're gonna get her to bed early so we can hopefully just enjoy the rest of our night. Emmy passed out, I think maybe right at 7 or a little bit before 7. Andrew put her to bed and she just passed out. And then I am putting Oakley to bed earlier than usual, if he will go down, because I would really like some just me time. I have not given myself me time in a long time. I've really been working hard with our businesses and just just really trying to get ahead of the game. And it's not easy when you have a toddler and when you have a newborn. He's still a newborn. He's 6 weeks old, so we'll go with newborn. It's not easy to do. I honestly have felt burnt out a lot this week. Tears were involved. I don't know. I just really could use some me time, some mom time, to take a bath, I don't know, to do whatever it is that I want to do. I want to put my phone away. I want to put my work, my computer away. I don't want to think about any of that stuff. So I think I'm going to do that tonight as best I can. I do have a meeting, like a phone call meeting tonight at 9:30. So I'm going to kind of stick my me time in between that. But when you're busy and you're constantly giving to your kids and you're constantly taking care of the home, and if you work, you're trying to provide for your family as well, it's so easy for women, especially, I feel, to get burnt out. And it's so important to remember that you have to take care of yourself too, and it's important to take the time. I'm nursing Oakley and he's kind of being wiggly. It's important to take that time to do that. So I am reminding myself to do that, and I want to remind you to do that as well. Just give yourself an hour. Find an hour in your day just to be like, this is my time. Putting my stuff away, putting my work, my phone, do it while your kids are napping, or do it after they've gone to bed. Whenever you can do it, because you deserve it. And honestly, you'll be a better mom, a better wife, a better just person in general. So that is my 2 cents. And I don't know why I felt the need to share it. I just have been feeling a lot of burnout this week, and so I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate. But I'm going to end the video here. I'm gonna go put Oakley to bed. Hopefully he'll go to bed. Sometimes he doesn't go to bed until like 10. Like, he just wants to be held, and then after like 10 or 10:30 is when I can put him down and he'll like sleep put down for the night. But so we will see. But thank you guys for watching Vlogmas Day 6. We're still just loving hanging out on a daily basis with you guys. Love seeing you guys in the comments and on Instagram. So make sure you're subscribed if you are not already. And follow us on Instagram at alli_gooch. We love you guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.